What if the secret to a god-tier espresso shot isn't a commercial machine, but the perfect marriage of your skill and the right tool? I became a coffee-mad scientist, dialing in grind size, measuring extraction time, and tasting over 50 shots from the latest semi-automatic machines. The failures were bitter and hollow, machines that couldn't hold temperature or pressure. But the 5 that earned a sacred spot on my counter? The one at number 4 has a steam one that textures milk like a dream. And the 2026 champion we crown number 1? It gives you a level of control and consistency I've only seen in professional workshops. The cafe quality ceiling is about to shatter. Starting at number 1. CASABREWS Espresso Machine. The CASABREWS Espresso Machine with Milk Frother is a semi-automatic 2-in-1 espresso maker that allows you to prepare all your favorite espresso-based coffees at home. It has a professional 20-bar pressure system and a milk frothing system that quickly textures creamy, rich microfoam milk, creating amazing milk foam art and enhancing the flavor of your brews. The compact, stylish and practical design makes it suitable for any size kitchen, and the 34-ounce water tank allows you to brew multiple cups. Number 2. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine is a super automatic espresso machine that offers all-in-one convenience for the home barista. It features a precision conical burr grinder, low-pressure pre-infusion, digital temperature control, manual microfoam milk texturing, and a grind size dial. Customers have praised its full-featured, high-quality performance, but note that it requires some time to learn the machine and get the most out of it. Number 3. Nespresso Espresso Machine. The Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine by Breville is a compact and minimalist single-serve coffee maker that offers 2 programmable cup sizes, espresso and lungo. With a high-pressure pump and fast heat-up system, this machine can serve you with a great coffee in just a few minutes. It also features an eco mode for low energy consumption and an automatic energy-saving function that switches the machine off after 9 minutes of inactivity. Each machine comes with a complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules with unique aromatic profiles. Number 4. Atatix Espresso Machine. The Atatix Espresso Machine lets you craft your favorite espresso drinks like lattes and cappuccinos right at home, giving you a cafe-quality experience without leaving your kitchen. Its powerful 20-bar pressure system ensures your coffee is rich and full of aroma, delivering a great taste every time. The built-in temperature control keeps the water just right, so your espresso is brewed perfectly and consistently. Plus, the steam one froths milk to a creamy, smooth texture, allowing you to create beautiful latte art and enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. Number 5. Electactic 20-bar Espresso Machine. The Electactic espresso machine offers an upgraded grinder designed to prevent jams, so you can grind your coffee beans smoothly even with oily dark roasts. This means less mess and more convenience in your coffee preparation. With 20 bars of pressure, it extracts maximum flavor and aroma, delivering rich, cafe-quality espresso with a thick crema. The Steam One lets you create barista-style microfoam, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites, giving your drinks a creamy, velvety texture. Easy to use and clean, this machine makes brewing professional quality coffee at home simple and enjoyable for any coffee lover. Ready to claim your title as home barista? Every machine that delivered sublime, repeatable espresso, from the most user-friendly pick to the feature-packed powerhouse, is linked for you in the description below. I've also included the grinders, scales, and tampers I used. If this caffeinated deep dive leveled up your coffee game, support the brew, hit like, share this with a fellow espresso nerd, and subscribe with the bell on.